Greetings from Team Emergex. Our team members include Parth Shingala, Siddhant Kumar, Pradyuman Singh, and Vedant Kumar. And we bring along with us experience of past hackathons where we have worked with the problems related to commute and travel. Moving on, in order to understand our problem statement better and to know the traveler's mentality post-COVID situation, we conducted a survey related to travel and safety. From the data provided by Accenture reports, people will be more vigilant to travel. At least 56% of the people will be uncomfortable to travel. From this, we concluded that the major problems faced by the people include their lack of confidence to travel post-COVID situation, uncertainty about safe travel rates, the lack of trustworthy mechanism that verifies the safety against COVID, and absence of an holistic solution. Moving on, we present to you the Emergex web application. Our solution aims to revive confidence and provide an holistic travel experience. Firstly, the website gives us the latest news, such as border closures, government restrictions, and much more about the place we wish to visit, along with the live COVID cases. The website also uses a recurrent neural network model to predict the future trend in COVID cases, thereby helping the travelers make more informed decisions. The solution will be sold as a service to the existing travel websites such as booking.com, makemytrip.com, etc. Also, in order to reduce the physical touch points at the airport, the traveler can fill the immigration or the customer declaration form online. The customer can also upload the medical certificate online, which will be useful for the airport authorities to track. After all this process is finished, the boarding pass and along with the QR code will be emailed to the person. This is not it. Now, you can also choose your favorite hotel based on the safety parameters. Like in this hotel, people are following social distancing norms and wearing masks. This is done by our machine learning algorithm, which is used in various hotels and tourist places. The machine learning model uses the CCTV camera footage to detect people and classifies various bounding boxes based on red, orange, and green on the distance between them. We also get a count of the same below. Moving on, the mask detection algorithm detects whether people are wearing masks and creates a bounding box around them. So this is our entire solution.
Firstly, we will attract our potential customers, that is websites and hotels, using social media, email marketing, and our blog posts. To ensure that customer likes our product, we will provide them a 30-day free trial wherein they will have access to all the features. User experience is our topmost priority, so we will be providing them with end-to-end solutions. In order to grow our company, we will send out referral programs and emails to hotels and websites. So here's our pricing table. For ticket booking websites, this plan includes a complete package wherein we will provide them with the latest news, future trend of COVID cases, and touchless travel experience by providing them online boarding pass. For tourist places such as hotels and malls, we will be providing a cutting-edge AI-powered solutions like mask detection, social distance detection. Moreover, this will also give them a safety tag so as to increase the trust and demand among the people.
Thank you.